Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, we want to see how we can look for trade and how we can look at this correction. In this case, we move to higher time frame. We start with daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, we want to see whether this is a correction for continuation or still we can expect one more drop. That means this one can tend to a deeper correction. Okay, in this case, we move to forward chart. All right, we want to see how we can trade it. As we can see, based on forward chart, the way it's moving is really corrective. We don't have a really good trade setup, and especially here, we are within this correction move. All right. Now the thing is, if you want to look for the next move, as long as the price is within these two, top and bottom, we are still within this correction. Either the price break the top or low before we get, we need to, price have to broke the correction for continuation. Okay. Now we want to see how we can look at it. And the thing is how we can look at this. Whether we expect still the price can drop one more, we will be within this correction, or the price from here can break and continue. All right. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can trade it. As we can see, based on 1 hour chart, we don't have really good trade setup. The only thing is when we're looking at this move, okay, maybe we put this one relative to each other, and now we want to see how this correction can form. If you want to look for trade setup, may still, if you want to look for buy, the best thing is if this one give us one more drop, at least we will have a flat in relative to this. Any reversal from there, we can look for buy. Okay, I don't think so we can get a really good trade setup, because for the trade setup we need sell. uh, if you want to look for sell, at least we need to get any sharp move with a flag. That's why I mentioned maybe we don't get a really good trade setup for sell. The best things is we're looking for buy, and the best things is if this one move a bit higher, give us one more drop. If we get this flat, any reversal we can look for buy. And if the price continue from here, I don't think we can look for really good trade setup, because even if you want to vote for the breakout of this top, we have to see whether the price can break 1.54 or not. Okay. By the way, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is if this one tend to a deeper correction, then from there we can make a decision. By the way, right now we don't have any trade and we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.